Want instant access to cryptocurrency purchases without waiting for bank transfers? In this video, I'll show you how to securely link your credit card to Crypto.com for immediate crypto buying power. Welcome back to Guide with Samuel. Adding a credit card gives you the fastest way to purchase cryptocurrency on Crypto.com, letting you capitalize on market opportunities in real time. Let's get your card connected safely. First, navigate to the Buy Crypto section in your Crypto.com app. Tap on the cryptocurrency you want to purchase, or look for a Payment Methods option where you can add cards in advance. Select Add Credit Card when choosing your payment method. You'll need to enter your card details manually, including the 16-digit card number, expiration date, and CVV security code from the back of your card. Some cards may require additional verification through your bank's app or a one-time code sent via SMS. This extra security step ensures your card isn't being used without your permission. Once verified, your card will be saved for future purchases. You can typically set it as your default payment method or choose it each time you make a crypto purchase. A crucial pro tip: check with your credit card issuer about their cryptocurrency purchase policies first. Some banks treat crypto purchases as cash advances, which can involve higher fees and interest rates. Also, start with smaller purchases to test the process before making larger transactions. And just like that, you've unlocked instant cryptocurrency purchasing power. Having a credit card linked gives you the flexibility to act quickly when you spot promising market opportunities. If this guide helped you set up faster crypto purchases, please give it a like. Have you encountered any special fees from your card issuer for crypto purchases? Share your experience in the comments below. To put your new payment method to use, subscribe for our next video on how to buy Bitcoin on Crypto.com. Thanks for watching.